So I'm not happy about the Flipkart because they are charging with these extra money. They don't charge delivery, but they are charging protect promise fee. But if we see the package, there is no change, same old package. There is no extra protection on that package. Why are they charging? Oh, you can see this platform fee, 7 rupees, but they don't refund this platform fee if you cancel any order. So imagine lakhs of people are canceling order and they don't refund 7 rupees. So this is a very we can say about this. This is a scam. They don't know the power of Indian customer because we already left the Amazon because they were charging us with 49 rupees delivery charges. So Flipkart going to be, I think, they are